How many times a day do you go searching for emails? Maybe from your boss or a colleague or a team that you're working with on a project, both internal or external, or from a client. Any number of times we all go searching for emails. Well, I want to show you a feature in Outlook that's going to make that a whole bunch easier. Hi, my name is Ann Michael Henry, and I'm a workplace productivity strategist, and this is a really cool trick to, like I said, make searching easier. What you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of your file folder setup in Outlook, and you will see search folders. Then right-click on that and create a new search folder. In typical Microsoft fashion, there's always lots of options of what you can do. Your unread mail, mail from people and lists, you can organize it, and search for just your large emails or emails with attachments, or you can create a custom search. So let's say that we want to have essentially what is a canned search that's always on for a specific person, either that we send emails to or that we receive emails from, right? So we can select that option, go ahead and choose, and then your contact list will show up and you can select that person, or you can type in that email address. In this case, this is my assistant, and I'll select her email and go ahead and click OK. And watch what happens. We now have a folder here that's a search folder. It's populating with all sorts of emails. First of all, I'm going to rename it. And then I'm going to sort it by folder and go over here to view, because I want to show you, I'm going to collapse all these groups. I want to show you where all those search results are coming from. They're coming from all these different folders, right? Including the inbox. So anything that Deborah's working with me on, whether it's a client project or in an own internal mise en place project, all of that search is going to find all of those emails and put them in one folder. Then, if I want to, I can right-click on that folder and I can add it to my favorites. So then it's all the way up here, right at the top in my favorites. So anytime I want to go and see it, I can go back to my inbox. Oh, I need to search for something from Deborah. I can see it. And of course, I can collapse all of these folders so it shows me all of the emails. But I think that's a great way to cut down on all of your searching. The search results are in the folder, right? But the emails remain in the folders that you filed them in. And so anything new coming in from Deborah, anything new that I send her is going to end up in as a search result, right? Now let's say I've decided that I really don't need this folder, right? So I can delete the folder. This will not delete any of the emails. It's simply deleting the folder. If I hit delete all, yeah, it's going to delete all the emails. But I'm only going to delete the folder. And it will come back and say, do you want to permanently delete this search folder? Yeah. The items contained in this folder will not be deleted. So we're going to go ahead and do yes. All right, let me show you a way that you can add multiple people to a search folder. So we're going to do a new folder. And this time I'm going to do a custom search. Choose. I'm still going to call it, because sometimes we use two different emails. And from, and then separate the emails with a comma. Oftentimes she uses an MEP email address when she is reaching out to clients on my behalf. And we can say sent to me and OK, OK, OK. And now it's searching for all of those emails. And you'll notice we have a whole bunch more. We're going to go to View, just collapse all the groups, and there you have it. So that's a great way to use your search folders. Again, I'm going to add it to favorites. It's back up there. It's at the top. I can go to it anytime. So anytime I send Deborah an email, it's going to pop right into the search results. If she sends me something related to the project, I'm going to file it in the project folder, but it will still be in the search results. Set up a number of these so that you can quickly and easily find the information that you need without always typing in a search. I hope you like this. Give us a thumbs up if you do. Have a great day and thanks for watching.